brodies, punta natin si Kina ngayon sa clinic. Dadala tayo ng baon. Doon tayo magla-lunch and meet up with that. So I'm just trying this out right now. Kinonect ko yung cardo ko sa camera. Let's see if malinaw yung audio. Okay, let's go! Balik ako kayo mga brodies when we're at Kina's clinic. Okay? Bye-bye! What is up mga brodies? Tapos na ang ating errands. Kapag-lunch tayo with my partner. My partner by the way is a dentist. Ito ang clinic niya, Radiance Dental Studio. So si Daddy nagpa-consult kay Kina kasi he broke one of his tooth his recent trip. Ay kasi nang kain eh, you know. And right now I'm on my way back home trying to finish some work. Mamadali ako ng konti kasi parang uulan. Isa natin ng konti kasi ayaw natin mabasa at sa panahon ngayon bawal magkasakit. See you later mga brodies. So sabi ko uuwi ako, 'di ba? Baka umulan. Mukha naman okay naman ang weather. Tsaka pag umuwi ako ngayon, baka tama rin ako magtrabaho kasi inaantok ako. So, coffee muna tayo. Work tayo sa isang coffee shop. Energy boost tayo ngayon. Coffee tayo. Doon na lang tayo magtrabaho. So, we're going to Inarawan Coffee. It's located just beside Vespa dealership sa may Scout area. I've tried it na before. It's pretty good. So, coffee, work. Let's go!
Few moments later.
So pagdating nyo sa Inarawan Coffee, there's parking up front and you just have to take the stairs, liko sa kanan, makikita mo yung signage ng Inarawan. And konting lakad lang, pagbukas natin ng pinto, boogs, aircon agad. And as you can see, very conducive naman siya for working. Medyo dim lang ang lighting. And internet speed is not bad. They serve AeroPress coffee. What I have here is an iced Spanish latte. Sakto lang siya. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Hindi siya sobrang tapang. Suabe siya. And since I'm already there, I already pulled out my laptop. Tapos trabaho lang ng konti while I'm enjoying my coffee. Would like to come back and try their food sometime. But overall, good experience siya.
Got some work done. Happy for that. Feeling pumped. Energized. Thank you. Inarawan Coffee. Para sa isang matinding kape. So their coffee is pretty good eh. First time I've tried AeroPress coffee eh. Yun yung process nila ng pag-brew ng coffee. Sarap naman. May sipa. So unlike kanina na medyo malamya tayo, ngayon buhay na buhay ang ating diwa. Tapos mamaya ikot-ikot ulit tayo. Dahil may mga kailangan din tayong gawin sa labas. Right? Pero for now, patila muna tayo ng ulan. If you like these kinds of contents naman mga brodies, maybe a like and a subscribe will help for sure. And it will motivate me to create better videos. Ride lang tayo ng ride. Okay? Bye brodies. See you on the next one. Peace.